In this video, we are going to show you how to create a watermark using CorelDRAW. Now, if you have a document and you want to create a watermark, you can do two ways. You can upload a logo, an image, a PNG, JPEG, whatever, or you can just use the text tool over here, which is F8, and just have something like this. Now, it can be on the bottom, it can be in the middle, right? For example, we want a watermark in the middle. Now, how do we make this into a watermark? A watermark is pretty much, a tool, right? A image or a word or a phrase that has less opacity than the actual document or text in the document, right? So this needs to be somewhat not as visible. So how do we do that? We want to look and click on your transparency tool over here. Click this. There you go. And there is going to be a meter here that you can just turn up. The higher it is, if you crank it up to the max, it's going to disappear, right? But you want it to be somewhere like here, where you can still read it or you can still see it, but it's not standing out, right? So that is how you create a watermark for your document in CorelDRAW. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribing. That bell icon will see you on the next video.